What's up, guys? It's Aaron's Adventures here, and today we're going to be cleaning the carb in my dirt bike, because I just haven't cleaned it in a while, and it's been leaking out of this this tube right here. It's like, I think it's the overflow tube, so I'm going to be checking that out and see what's wrong with that. So let's get started. So first off, we're going to take off these two boots. This one goes to the airbox, this one goes to the header right here. So you're just gonna unscrew these clamps right here and then go from there. Alright, well, now that you got these unscrewed most of the way, you're gonna have to get some tools to take off the throttle cable that goes to the carburetor up here, and the choke, and then maybe a couple other things. So I'll be back when I get the tools to do that. Alright, so what I have here is just a tool that I can adjust to the right size to unscrew the choke, and I'm going to do that one first because that one's easier to get to. So let me make this the right size and I'll take that off. It's actually not that hard to get off, so once you get it a little bit loosened, you can just easily unscrew it. Now I'm going to go to the other side and do the fuel filter. Alright, so right here we have the fuel filter, then the petcock, and then it goes to the carburetor. My fuel's already off. There's probably gonna be a bunch of fuel coming out, and I'll just probably gonna do it just right here. Take it off right here. So just let that. You can just let that fuel come out, or it'll come out while you're cleaning it. So. Alright, gonna go to the other side now. Alright, well, right here, there's this T-looking tube thing. This is just one that goes down to, with all these other tubes that are like drains or something. I don't really know. And then this side just goes up to a little spot under here. I can't really show you on camera, but it just goes into the frame. So you can just pull that out. Let me get it. Alright, so that pulls out right here. Then this pulls out right here. So it's just like this little T-clamp looking thing. So after you get the choke, then you have to get to the throttle cable. And then I think you can just pull it out. So I'm going to try to get a tool to reach to the throttle cable, and then I'll go from there. Alright, so what I have right here is some pliers. I mean, I don't think they should be an actual tool. And just loosen it up and pull it out the best you can. Let me try to take the carburetor out of the boots. Now I just need to get the throttle cable, and I can just do that with my hands. So after you get this, then you'll be done, I'm pretty sure. Yep, got that. Alright, I probably have a bunch of gas in here, so I'm gonna see if that comes out. can already hear it. Alright, so now I'm going to take these 4 screws out. Here's the bowl. And I'm going to take these 4 screws out to take the bowl off. And that's the main thing that we're trying to get to. And I've heard these screws can strip really easily, so you got to be careful. Four. So what some people do, I just do it because they do it. Once they get all the screws out, they just tap it twice, because sometimes it's hard to get off. I'm probably going to have a... Alright, well... Let's look at this. Here's my float. Oh, I see the problem. That's why I'm leaking gas. Alright, well that's good. It's a good thing that I see the problem. That I'm leaking gas, so I can just easily fix that. And I'll probably gotta clean it up in here a little bit. Good bit. So what I do to clean all this up is get some Q-tips. Scrape it a little bit. Sometimes what I do is I'll get like a little brush. You can see it's getting all the little stuff in the tight areas. Get another Q-tip. Scrape it. So you get all that. And then right here, this is the problem. Right here. So I'm going to take this little pin out. This little pin out right here. And here's the float. I've heard of these little rubber things on it and break-in, so be careful with that. So, get another Q-tip or something to reach down in there, clean all that gunk out. Here's your main jet, pilot jet. You probably want to take those out while you're already in here. Clean those. Let's look at this main jet real quick. Everything looks fine. I'm just gonna look at the pilot jet real quick. I don't remember screwing this one all the way down in there. I don't think that's good either. To do actual cleaning, this wasn't really a cleaning, but to do actual cleaning, you can get carb cleaner. I don't use that. I just get like a pipe cleaners, or you can put this stuff in your. You can buy this stuff at like Auto Parts or something like that. Maybe you can get it at Walmart, but you can put this stuff in your gas, and it'll go through and clean the carburetor. So I don't know if I did anything today in this process of taking the carb off and stuff like that, but hopefully I did, because my bike was leaking gas, and I just saw a couple of videos on what to do, and hopefully I did it the right way to where it's not going to leak. But I don't know, if it's leaking again, then I'll just take it off and do something else. But hopefully it doesn't leak anymore. Alright, to put the carburetor back on, you just do what you did to take it off. Alright guys, so I think that's it for doing the carb and all that, and I hope it works. I'll do an update if it does. If it doesn't, this video is not going out. So peace out, guys.